Africa is a large and diverse continent that extends from South Africa northward to the Mediterranean Sea. The continent makes up 1/5 of the total land surface of Earth, widely recognized as the birthplace of humankind. Africa saw the rise of great kingdoms, faced the transatlantic slave trade, colonization, and apartheid. When it comes to African history and culture, there is so much to learn about. The best way to understand the various different customs and cultures is to visit African countries and speak to the people. With some of the most diverse customs, languages, and traditions in the world, Africa is truly a fascinating continent. You're welcome to my channel, Zulu Queens, where you would find the beauty of African Zulu paradise. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment, and share for more videos. The Zulu are the largest ethnic group in South Africa. They are well known for their beautiful brightly colored beads and baskets, as well as other small carvings. The Zulu believe that they are descendants from a chief from the Congo area, and in the 16th century migrated south, picking up many of the traditions and customs of the San, who also inhabited this South African area. During the 17th and 18th centuries, many of the most powerful chiefs made treaties and gave control of the Zulu villages to the British. This caused much conflict because the Zulu had strong patriarchal village government systems, so they fought. Irid dance is an ancient tradition of the Swazi and Zulu people with the aim of paying respect to women and preparation of girls to their womanhood. This annual ceremony is a centuries-old tradition known as the Umkhosi Womlanga. The festival name derives from the riverbed reeds, the central attributes of the event. Celebrations take place in early September at the Enyokini Royal Palace in Nangoma, KwaZulu-Natal. Thousands of Zulu girls are led by their senior princess and proceed by carrying the reeds, singing, and dancing. They don't wear many clothes but are in traditional accessories instead. These accessories are defined by their beadwork. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment, and share for more beautiful videos.